Fannie Mae just approved the first Bitcoin-backed mortgage in American history. And if you think this doesn't affect you as an agent, you're about to miss one of the biggest buyer unlocks of the decade. Here's what happened. A couple in their early 30s, software engineer and a grad student, had been stacking Bitcoin for years. When it came time to buy a home, they didn't have the cash for a down payment. They didn't sell their crypto. They pledged it as collateral and they closed on their first home. That's not a workaround, my friends. That's a Fannie Mae approved conforming mortgage. Better Home and Finance and Coinbase funded it, and they're rolling this out nationwide this summer. Here's why agents need to pay attention. 41% of pre-approved buyers qualify on income, qualify on credit, but can't close because they don't have the cash for a down payment. That's 4 out of 10 buyers sitting on the sidelines right now. And here's the bigger picture. The median age of a first-time homebuyer just hit a record high of 40 years old. 40. High rates, high prices, and thin inventory have pushed ownership further and further out of reach. Meanwhile, an entire generation has been quietly building wealth, not in savings account, but in digital assets, right? This product was built for exactly that buyer, the asset-rich, cash-constrained, crypto-holding millennial who doesn't want to liquidate a decade of investing just to close, right? So if you have a younger tech sector buyers in your pipeline, right, this may be the reason they can finally get off the fence. So you need to know that this exists, right? And you need to be the one who brings it to them, because if you're not, guess what? Somebody else will. Now here's the part no one's really talking about. Bitcoin, it just had its worst week since the collapse of FTX in 2022. This product makes a lot of sense in a bull market, but if collateral values drop fast enough, right, these borrowers are going to face margin call dynamics that conventional mortgage holders never deal with. Prior crypto bear markets have seen 80% drawdowns, right? This is a real product with real Fannie Mae backing, right? And it does come with real risk your buyers need to understand going into it, right? All right, the mortgage industry just changed. So here's the question. Are you going to be the agent who understood that early or the one who found out later? Comment below yes if you're ready to work with these crypto buyers, or not yet if you're still kind of wrapping your head around it all, right? And of course, share this with an agent who needs to see it.